Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. As it is the first lecture of the GK for this year, session 2020-21. Your GK book is titled as Journal Knowledge Book. You are studying GK from first class and third onward, you are having your GK books with you. This year, you have the GK book of the 7th class with you because you are in 7th standard now. In the beginning, the pages are given related to index, message by the author, and index. From the 5th page, the first chapter, that is Generalia unit, and the chapter is Lighten Up You Live Only Once. What's the chapter? Lighten Up. You live only once. Means you know very well, nowadays we people are not aware what we are doing basically nowadays. We are just not getting up early. We are having the food that is not good for our health. We are not doing any physical exercise. Every time we keep on using mobile phones. So many things that we are doing that should not be done by us because that's not good for our mental health as well as physical health. So let's analyze and lighten up ourselves and we see what we should do, and you have to give the answer of each question and remember to be honest with yourself. You have to give the answer that you are doing this or not, and according to that you will have the score. So you have to give you the scores. If you did never, sometime, always, often. So the first answer is I have a lot of fun. Do you have a lot of fun every time? What the answer according to you? What should be the answer according to you? You have to write here on. No answers will be given for this. You have to give the honest answer on the basis of yourself. So if I talk about I have lot of fun. If I give the answer according to me, I'm just giving the answer according to me and you people has to give the answer. No need to raise the hand, dear students. You have to mark it in your book. If you have the books, please mark in that. If you don't have the books, please take the printout of this PDF. We will send you the PDF as well with homework. You please take the printout of this PDF and then you give the answer. So I'm just giving the answer from my point of view and you have to give the answer from your point of view. So the first is, I have a lot of fun. Yes, I have a lot of fun. I just give the answer always. You have to give the answer as per your choice. Second, I have lot of laughs. Yes, my second answer is often. Often means usually I do this. मैं हंसती रहती हूँ, खुश रहती हूँ. And spontaneous. Spontaneous means at the spot when any work or assignment is assigned to you, you are able to do that, or you don't linger on. You are not lazy. You are not linger on the things. So my answer is always. If I talk about the next, I like to hear and tell jokes seldom. Sometime when I am in moment, I feel it should be, then I hear the jokes, but not every time. I laugh at my own mistake. No, I don't laugh at my mistake. I just try to improve my mistake and don't to repeat in the future. Next, I like to watch comedy show on TV. Sometimes, sometimes I feel I like to read humorous material. Sometime I think funny thoughts. Never. It's not compulsory that what the answer I'm writing, you should write that. No, you have to give the honest answer that you give, that you do in your life. I don't mind actually silly once in a while. I don't mind acting silly once in a while. I mean, sometimes I just do the silly activities. I don't mind to do it. I do. Sometimes it is done. Not always, but seldomly it can be done. Seldom is the answer from my point of view. I surround myself with happy and lucky type of friends. Yes, always. I use my senses of humorous to deal with difficult situations. Yes, I use my senses always. I try my level best to use my senses in the difficult situation. I use humorous to heal the stress. No, I watch movies to heal my stress. I don't use humor to deal the stress. So never. I use humor to change my mood of my parents. No, never. But some of the students are in habit. Some people, it's very good. My son is also like that. Whenever he feel like that my mood is not good, what he do? He just did the humorous activities. He just do the funny activities every time to make my change my mood. So people also are in habit. When we are kids, we just do this kind of activity. So your answer may be different. But now I am the elder one. I just don't do this kind of activity. But if I are doing, it's good. As a point of view, as a kid, it is good. Arman Singh, do you have any trouble, beta? You have raised a hand. If you have any problem, please ask. Okay. I think you have done it by mistake. No problems. Let's continue. I like to hear funny experience of my elders. Yes, always. I feel good. All type of experience I want to listen from them. I take myself lightly at work. Yes, when I do the work, I feel that I'm feeling light because physical exercise always, whenever we do work, it just make our body light. I like socializing with friends and relatives. Yes, always, because we human beings are the social animals. We can't live without society. We are the part of society and we have to live in the society. I like to watch comedy movies sometimes. Now, my answers are done. Now, write the scoring. For sometimes you have to give the answer, you have to give the marks 4. For never, you have to give the marks 1. For always, you have to give the 7 marks. So give the marks accordingly and see what is your score. You have to do it in your book and then you have to ask, show me your score that you have. So this is the self-doing activity. You will not send any answer key for this. What you have to do, you have to write the answers like this, whatever you have. And after that, you have to give the scores in front of you like see. If I want to give the score for the always, for always, my score is 7. It is given in the book. Due to some technical issue, it is not showing. I'll send you that one also in the PDF and you have to give the marks accordingly. If I talk about often, 5 marks are to be given. If I talk about always, 7 marks are to be given. If I talk about seldom, 3 marks are to be given. In this way, you have to give the marks. I hope everybody is able to understand. If you are able to understand how to do page number 5, please raise your hand fast. Then we will move to the next lesson, next page. Everybody be quick. Raise your hand if it is clear to you. Then we will move to the next page. Very good, very good, very good. Mannat, Kanishka Sharma, Vansh Manuja, Akshat Goyat, everybody is, it's clear to everybody. Very good. It's really appreciable. And what about the rest of other students? Please raise your hands fast. If it is clear to you, very good. Mannat Sabrawal, Sneha Chandna, Shanu, clear, Kanish, Kashish, Arya, Tejal Sharma, Varsha Bansal, Mika, Khushi, Aditya, Arman, Shivani, Vanshika, Trishka Chopra, Tanishka Chopra. It's Mansi Gardan, okay. Ananya, Yatin, Karthik, Rahul, Afrin, Suraj, Akshat. Akshat Goyat, it is not clear to you, beta. What's the doubt? You have not raised your hand. Please let me know. Unmute yourself and let me know what's the doubt. Akshat Goyat, unmute yourself and let me know what is your problem, beta. You have not raised the hand. Is a lesson number first chapter and the page number 5 is not clear to you. Akshat and Disha has not raised the hands. Is it not clear to you, beta?